Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on spelling suggestions in Gmail on your PC. If you want to ensure that your emails are free from spelling errors and receive suggestions for spelling corrections while composing them, you can easily enable this feature with just a few simple steps. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of turning on spelling suggestions in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the Spelling section. Step 5. Next to Spelling, click on Spelling Suggestions On. This will enable the Spelling Suggestions feature in Gmail. By turning on spelling suggestions, you can ensure that your emails are error-free and convey your messages accurately. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.